Good morning, dear student. Now I am going to discuss about vitamins and related compounds. आज बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि हम आप लोगों के बीच में विटामिन्स और उससे संबंधित यौगिक के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। विटामिन्स क्या होता है? व्हाट आर द विटामिन्स? विटामिन्स आर द ऑर्गेनिक molecules that are required in the diet for formal health growth of an organism which need result from the inability of cells produce these compounds. The name vitamins was originally given to these accessories food factors because of known to be valid for life and were all believed to the amine. When it becomes clear that some of them were not amines and didn't even contain nitrogen, Drummond suggested to the modifications that led to the term vitamin. Their minute quantity indicates a catalytic role in the cell. The distinguishing features of vitamin is that they generally cannot be synthesized by mammalian cells and therefore must be supplied in the diet. The vitamins are of two distinct types: one fat soluble vitamins and another water soluble vitamins. There are two types of vitamins, one fat soluble और दूसरा वाटर soluble विटामिन्स क्या होता है? विटामिन्स ऑर्गेनिक मोलिक्यूल्स होता है जो हमारी भोजन में हमें ज़रूरत होता है और वह माइक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स के नाम से भी जाना जाता है और उस विच अफेक्ट्स आवर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. वाटर soluble vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, pyridoxal, pyridoxamine, pyridoxine, biotin, folic acid, ascorbic acids are water soluble vitamins, while vitamin A, vitamin D, E, K. There are four vitamins which include in the group of fat soluble vitamins. One, vitamin A, D, E, K are fat soluble vitamins, and left B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, biotin, and pyridoxal and pyridoxamine and pyridoxine, etc. are the water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins consists of vitamin B and C. वाटर soluble vitamins maximum vitamin B and C होता है, with exception vitamin B6 and B12 are readily excreted in urine without appreciable storage, so frequent consumption becomes necessary. They are generally non-toxic when present in excess of need, although symptoms may be reported in people taking in mega dosage of niacin, vitamin C, pyridoxine, vitamin B6. All vitamins B functions coenzyme or cofactor, assisting in the activity of the important enzyme and allowing energy produced reaction. As such result, any lack of water soluble vitamins are affect growing, rapidly metabolizing tissue such as skin, blood or digestive tract and the nervous tissue. Water soluble vitamins are easily lost with overlooking. List of water soluble vitamins deficiency and recommended daily intake sources. थायमिन, विटामिन B1, विटामिन B1 के डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन B1, बेरी एनोरेक्सिया, वेट लॉस, वीकनेस, पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी, वेरिंकल्स, कोरोस्कोफ सिंड्रोम, स्ट्रेट गैट, क्रॉस आइज, डिमेंटिया, डिसओरिएंटेशन, मेमोरी लॉस। Infant 2.2 to 3 mg, children 5 to 6 mg, adolescents 0.9 to 1.2 mg, men 1.2 mg, women 1.1 mg, pregnant or lactating women 1.4 mg. Sources: pork product, beef, liver, yeast, baked product, enriched whole grain cereals, nuts and seeds, etc. विटामिन B2 को हम राइबोफ्लेविन भी बोलते हैं। राइबोफ्लेविन डेफिशिएंसीज आर रिबोफ्लेविन इन्फ्लामेशंस ऑफ टंग, मतलब ग्लोसिटिस, क्रैक एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द माउथ, मतलब कि मुंह का फटना, डर्मिटिस, ग्रोथ ऑफ रेडनेस, कंजंक्टिव्स, नर्व डैमेज। इन्फेंट 0.3 to 4 mg, 0.3 to 0.4 mg, children 0.5 to 0.6 mg, adolescents 0.9 to 1.3 mg, men 1.3 mg, women 1.1 mg, pregnant women 1.4 mg, lactating women 1.6 mg. Sources of riboflavin or B2: milk, eggs, mushroom, whole grains, enriched grain, leafy vegetables, yeast and liver and oily fish. Niacin or vitamin B3: pellagra, diarrhea, dermatitis, dementia and death. Infant 2.24 mg, children 6 to 8 mg, adolescents 12 to 16 mg and men 16 mg, women 14 mg, pregnant women 18 mg or lactating women 17 mg. Sources: meat, poultry, fish, yeast, enriched whole grain bread and cereals, peanut, mushroom, milk and eggs. पैथोनिक एसिड और B5 रेयर इन्फेंस, मतलब कि डेफिशिएंसी रेयर देखा जाता है और ये भी मतलब कि वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन फूड में पाया जाता है। बायोटिन, डर्मेटिस, कन्वल्जन्स, हेयर लॉस, न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर, इम्पेयर्ड ग्रोथ, मतलब कि सोर्सेज होल ग्रेन एग्स, नट्स, सीड्स, वाइडली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन स्मॉल अमाउंट्स। B6 विटामिन B6 dermatitis, anemia, convulsions, confusion, decline in immune function. These are the deficiency of vitamin B6. Resources of vitamin B6: meat, fish, poultry, Spanish, potatoes, bananas, avocados, sunflower seeds, etc. Folate, vitamin B12, megaloblastic anemia, deficiency of vitamin B12, megaloblastic anemia, abdominal pain, diarrhea, birth defect. Ready to eat breakfast: cereals, enriched grain, produce, green vegetables, liver, legumes, organs, etc. Thiamines are also known as vitamin B12, which are derived from the substituted